welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the lecture 6 of a transportation engineering, and we are covering the module 2, that is a design of highway. In the design of highway we have seen the pavement characteristic, camber, shoulder. Now we are going to see the width of a carriageway. This is the width of a carriageway. Let us suppose this is any single lane and this is the shoulder. So the width of a pavement, so this is the width of a pavement, and the width of pavement is known as the width of a carriageway. So this is the width of a carriageway. Okay, so this is the carriageway width. Okay, so this is the width of a carriageway. And similarly, in the case of a double lane, this is the two lane. So first lane is this, second lane is this. So the summation of the width of two lanes is known as the width of a carriageway. A carriageway is equals to the width of a pavement, and it is equals to n into the width of a lane. Let us suppose the width of a lane is 3.5 meter and there are 4 lanes in a road. So the width of a carriageway is 4 into 3.5, that is a 14 meter. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हमें याद रखना है कि जो विड्थ ऑफ कैरेजवे है वो विड्थ ऑफ शोल्डर को इंक्लूड नहीं करता. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे विड्थ ऑफ पेमेंट एज पर द क्लास ऑफ अ पेमेंट. सो फॉर अ सिंगल लेन द विड्थ ऑफ पेमेंट इज 3.75 मीटर, and for the two lane without curb it is 7 meter, and for the two lane with a curb its value is 7.5 meter, and for the intermediate lane its value is 5.5 meter. For the multi lane the width of pavement is 3.5 meter. Let us suppose there are 4 lanes, so the width of pavement will be equals to 4 into 3.5, that is equals to 14 meter. Okay, this is the different values of a width of pavement as per the class of a pavement. Next we will see the width of a formation. So what is the width of formation? Width of formation is also called as the width of a roadway. Includes the shoulder width and the width of a pavement. Let us suppose this is any single lane and this is the width of the pavement and this is the width of a shoulders. Okay, so width of formation is equals to the width of pavement plus width of shoulder on both sides. Okay, so for a single lane the width of a formation is equals to width of a pavement plus 2 into width of a shoulder. Okay, for the multi lane the width of a formation is width of a pavement plus width of median divider plus 2 into width of a shoulder. For example, अगर यहाँ पर कोई 2 लेन होती, जैसे ये सिंगल लेन है, फॉर मल्टी लेन अगर यहाँ पर बीच में कोई डिवाइडर भी रहता मल्टी लेन के लिए तो वो डिवाइडर भी इसमें इंक्लूड होता है. ओके, सो ये होता है जो विड्थ ऑफ फॉर्मेशन. ओके, विड्थ ऑफ फॉर्मेशन को हम विड्थ ऑफ रोडवे भी बोलते हैं. तो जो कुछ स्टैंडर्ड्स वैल्यू हैं विड्थ ऑफ रोडवे की वो हम देख लेते हैं. ओके, तो विड्थ ऑफ रोडवे के लिए जो स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है फॉर नेशनल एंड स्टेट हाईवे वो है 12 मीटर. ओके, सो दिस वैल्यू इंक्लूडिंग द शोल्डर एंड द लेन्स एंड द मीडियन इज 12 meter in case of a national highway and state highway, and for the major district road its value is 9 meter. Minimum roadway width on a single lane bridge is 4.25 meter. So this is all about the width of carriageway and the width of a formation. Okay, hope you have enjoyed it. In the next lecture we will see the side distances. It is available in the description, you can download from it, and if you like the video then please share and subscribe it. Thank you.